Hey everybody, it's Cobbs. I'm just going to show you this little trick, how to make like your lawn chairs and stuff last longer. This little trick works and makes it last a lot longer, and it's using WD-40. Alright, let's get at it. I'll show you what I usually do to my stuff. I have this little table right here. If you hear cars, yeah, I live close to a busy road, so might hear some cars in the background. I already did that one over there. You see how much darker it is? And this will help the material last a lot longer. Just take your WD-40 and just cover that thing up. Can of WD-40, it's going to make it last a lot longer. Help protect that material so it doesn't rot out. And you can do this to your lawn chairs and everything. If you want, after you spray it on, you can like just get a cloth and kind of move it around. Spray it on a cloth too. I'm just doing it this way today. I'm almost done with it. It's coated up real good. It's going to make the material last a lot longer. Down here, within a year, a lot of times the material is wasted. That table over there, one beside me with the battery on it, that's about 4 years old. And it's still lasting. This one here is only about a year. I should have did it right away, but I didn't. But I'm doing it now. That's all you got to do. And that should make them last a lot longer. Alright, this is Cobby Badger. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos, and thanks for watching. God bless. Until next time, this is Cobby Badger out. Catch you guys later.